adjustment. I'm not saying you need to dumb down how you ride. You just need to change the way you ride. And in this particular instance, it's not in a bad way. That's the other thing I'm noticing too. I'm not, once again, I'm not getting any sort of vibes through the handlebars. What's up, guys? Asher from Srkcycles.com. Today we have a 2004 Kawasaki Vulcan Classic 1500. Is that a... Ooh, it's a shaft drive. I didn't know that. That's pretty sweet. Got Vance & Hines pipes on it. This green and kind of cream color scheme it's got going on, I really, really like that. Really, really like that. So, let's get on here and see what this thing's like. This is the first bike with floorboards I've ever ridden. Again, not a cruiser guy, more of a sport bike guy. But I will ride anything because 2 wheels, motor, handlebars, brakes, fun. Don't care what it is, I'll ride it. So, before we take off here, words of wisdom for the day. Joshua, chapter 1, verse 9. Be strong, be brave, be fearless. You are never alone. Alright, let's see what this beast is like here. Alright, let's go. So, floorboards. That's kind of cool. I've never ridden something with floorboards before. I'm not gonna say it's definitely a different feeling. I gotta take it easy around these corners. I scraped the peg on the. I just got done doing a test ride on a different cruiser bike, and I scraped the peg going around a corner because I wasn't used to the lower ground clearance on these things. It's definitely a different experience. I keep going like, where's the... I can move my feet around on here? This is weird. What is this? So, yeah. Let's talk about this thing. Again, not a cruiser guy. Never have been. I'm getting a pretty good... I'm getting a pretty good introduction to him, though, working with Sean. Just from the amount of cruisers he has. Nope. Man, you really got to kick that thing through through neutral to get the second. I just kind of tapped it and I knocked it into neutral because I have weak baby legs. Oh, my words of wisdom flew off again. That's like the third one of these I've had today where the words of wisdom have just like been like, nah, I'm not staying there. I'm gonna fly off. So, let's see here. Everything feels good on this bike, guys. Yeah, I got, like I said, I got very little to base it off of. Just because I have not ridden many cruisers. This is probably only the third cruiser I've ridden. And the only other Kawasaki cruiser I've ridden was that 2015 Vulcan S, which is a totally different animal from this. There you go. Yeah, you just gotta really kick that up through neutral to get in the second. That's fine. I don't dislike this though. This is it's comfy. It feels good. I feel like you can just kind of sit here and chill and relax. I'd probably take the windshield off because I'm like Sean. I don't like no windscreens. But I mean, it's also getting towards the end of summer. It still gets a little warm, and I like these mesh jackets. I like as much air as possible hitting me in the chest when I'm riding. So that could have something to do with it as well. All right, let's see. Okay, round the roundabout. There we go. Ooh, yeah. The grunt is real, guys. The grunt is real. Yeah. I I understand now why V-twins are. I'm starting to understand why V-twins are such a popular kind of engine configuration. These things are a lot of fun to ride. So I'm getting there, guys. I'm coming around. There we go. Come on. Wow. That's a lot of fun. That's a lot of fun to just hit that and feel it pull off from a stop. So, yeah, all the cruiser guys who watch these videos are going, yeah, see, all you had to do was just get out and ride one. Well, you were right. All I had to do was go ride one. Cruisers are fun. Once again, I've said it before in some, I'll fix that mirror real quick. Said it before in a couple of the other videos I've done on here. I ride motorcycles to have fun. I ride motorcycles to have fun. I don't care what it is. If I'm having fun on it, I like it. That's pretty much it. They're my primary source of transportation for the most part, especially in the spring, summer, and fall. I ride pretty much every day during that time period. And I love bikes. So if I have fun on one, whoa, that clutch is way out there. Yeah, I would take some getting used to. But again, this is the first time I've ever been on this thing. First time I've sat on it. This is the first time I've seen it. So give it some time, I'd get used to it. But like I said, if it's got two wheels, handlebars, an engine, and I can have fun on it, it's a winner as far as I'm concerned. And much like some of the other cruiser bikes that I've ridden, all four of them, this thing just feels good, like relaxing, like not doing anything crazy. You're not riding aggressive on it. You're taking this corner nice and easy. Excuse me. You're not trying to come around there at any crazy rate of speed or anything like that. You're cruising. You're hanging out. You're having fun. I'm having fun. You guys having fun? Because I am. Yeah. It's a good bike, guys. It's a good bike. Yeah, see, that's what I'm... Oh, well, it would help if I put it in first instead of neutral, but... Yeah. Yeah, definitely a fun bike. Woo! Yeah, good stuff. Good stuff. Yeah, this is something. Oh yeah, this is nice little, where that passenger seat kicks into the kind of the driver's seat. This is a nice little hump where you can just kind of lean back on it. Kind of supports your lower back a little bit. Oh, I like that. I like that. Yeah, I'm enjoying myself. I'm enjoying myself. I'm coming around. You cruiser guys, I'm coming around to them. I really, really am. I'm starting to understand the draw. I'm starting to understand the kind of the whole how you ride them. Because for me, I really do need to change the way I ride when I get on one of these. You know, I try doing certain things that I'm used to doing on my FC or on a sport bike, and you can't. So it does take a little adjustment. I'm not saying you need to dumb down how you ride. You just need to change the way you ride. And in this particular instance, it's not in a bad way. That's the other thing I'm noticing too. I'm not, once again, I'm not getting any sort of vibes through the handlebars. It's just nice and smooth. Yeah, good deal. Good deal, guys. This is a good bike. Yeah. floorboards are still kind of throwing me off, if I'm being honest. I mean, I know why they're there. But they are, like, me being able to move my feet around on them is just, it would take me probably a week of riding this thing, a week or two of riding this thing to really get used to those floorboards. But that's fine. I know plenty of people who swear by them. But me personally, I would need to, it would take me a little bit of time to get used to them. Which, again, that isn't a bad thing. That's just personal preference here. So, what have we learned about the Kawasaki Vulcan Classic 1500? Well, it sounds cool. It looks phenomenal. Again, that dark green and cream, it looks amazing. It sounds cool. It's pretty comfortable, and it's fun to ride. All right, awesome. All right, guys, we're almost back to the shop, so that'll about do it. The bike is for sale. What's going on here? Oh, okay. The bike is for sale at Srkcycles.com. Hope you enjoyed my little review and time with it. I certainly did. I enjoyed it a lot more than I initially expected, which is always a good thing. So, that'll about wrap it up, guys. My name's Asher. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.
Hey guys, if you liked that video, don't forget to subscribe. If you didn't like that video, you can subscribe anyway and just continue watching videos that you don't like. That's whatever. That's fine. You can do that. Nothing wrong with that. You guys still there? I said subscribe and click that little click the little notification button to let YouTube know you want to be notified. We'll see you guys later.